UV DTF printer teaching. Check if the accessories are complete. Cut off the zip ties that secure the printer belt. Be careful not to damage the belt. Connect the power and start the printer. Start testing performance. Long press the left button to move the ink cart to the far left. Click OK to reset the ink cart to the right side. Long press the forward button. Red rubber roller rotation. Turn on the adsorption switch and temperature control switch. Performance OK. Turn off the printer and disconnect the power. Install B-film bracket. Secure the bracket with screws. Install B-film. Install black plugs on both ends of the B-film. Thread the metal rod through the middle of the black plug. Tighten the plug screws at both ends to secure the metal rod. Install the damper of membrane B onto both ends of the metal rod. Install the assembled B-film onto the bracket. Open the left side panel. Turn the black knob forward to raise the red rubber roller. Thread the B-film through the gap in the middle of the red rubber roller. Rotate the knob backwards to press down on the rubber roller. Install a membrane bracket. Fix the film bracket to the back of the printer with screws. Install the film winding motor. Connect to metal rods. Pass through the circular holes of the bracket separately. Roll film motor with cable. Install to the right bracket. Tighten the knob at the bottom of the film collection motor. Install the paper tube onto the film winding motor. Install another black plug onto the left side of the bracket. Insert the film winding motor plug into the printer. Install film. Install the black plugs onto both ends of the film. Thread the metal rod of film A through the plug in the middle. Tighten the plug screws at both ends. Install the dampers of membrane A on both sides of the metal rod. Install the assembled membrane A on the bracket. Tighten the hexagonal socket screws that fix the dampers. Insert the power cord and start the printer. Send membrane A through the bottom of the metal separating rod to the platform. Tear off the transparent protective film on membrane A. Pass membrane A through the red rubber roller. Hold the transparent protective film and press and hold the forward button. Send the transparent film back from inside the printer to the back of the printer. The transparent film and the white membrane A are separated at the metal rod. Fix the transparent film to the film winding paper tube. Start the film winding motor. Press and hold the forward button. Membrane A is tightly attached to the platform. Connect the USB network port to the network cable. Insert the USB network port, white USB flash drive, and blue dongle into the PC. Add ink according to the color of the ink bottle. Before adding ink, you must check the color label on the ink bottle to avoid adding the wrong ink. Use a syringe to extract ink from the ink sac and the waste ink tube. Draw 5 ml of ink from each ink sac. Discharge the extracted ink. Use a clean and dust-free cloth to wipe the needle clean to avoid cross-contamination of ink. Install the ink sac back to the print head and take out the next ink sac to draw ink. Five milliliters of ink must be drawn from each ink sac. Draw 10 milliliters of ink from each of the 2 waste ink tubes on the back of the printer. Clean and print the status diagram. In the Print Exp software, click on Clean, both has all clean normal. The printer receives the instruction and starts automatic cleaning. Click Check to print the status chart. Take a photo of the status diagram and send it to the engineer. The perfect effect display diagram of the status diagram. Click on the photo icon in the TUSM's RIP software. Select the image to be printed. Adjust the size and position of the image to be printed. Click the RIP button. Click to print. Progress bar completed. Printer starts printing. After printing is completed, you can stick the beautiful sticker on the product.